Step number 4 is called Unplug and Recode. Now, this is a really cool part of our session because we get to actually go in through a gentle guided meditation, or we may just end up closing our eyes together and sort of exploring the superconscious field. In any case, I liken it to sort of like a computer or a cell phone. Sometimes they get really glitchy and they get a bit of a bug, and you actually have to unplug it, turn it off, let it sort of reboot for a little while. Sometimes you just need an upgrade on the operating system and you just need to leave it plugged in overnight so that you can actually get that upgrade happening. The mind is a lot like this too. It runs on old patterns, it runs on old beliefs, it runs on old traumas and events that have happened, and it tells us how to stay alive and how to stay safe. So this unplug and recode is actually part of the session where we get to go in and sort of change some of these instructions. It's very cool and it's very safe and gentle, and I can't wait to be able to do it with you.